Hello, and welcome to Cindy's Corner. Today, boys and girls, do I have a fun one for you? So go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. We're going to draw a rainbow. And you can be creative with your rainbow. I know it's fixing to be St. Patrick's Day. If you want to put a pot of gold at the bottom of your at one end of your rainbow, go ahead. If you want to put a Care Bear, go ahead. Make it yours. But we're going to go ahead, get your paper, and we're going to turn your paper horizontal. Horizontal. Different from our vertical. Vertical is up and down like a hot dog. Horizontal is when you lay down in your bed. You're laying down. That's horizontal. So we're going to lay our paper horizontal. All right. Now then, we're going to take our pencil, and remember, I have my dry erase marker board, so I'm going to be doing it on it. But you're going to use your pencil first, and then you will trace it with your permanent marker with your Sharpie. All right. So we're going to start first, and we're going to kind of go from the middle a little bit right at the middle of your paper. And we're going to start and we're going to draw a pretty big frowny face. Okay. Now, to make a rainbow, we have 7 colors. So we can't make so you just want it like a finger space. And then you want to make another line. And another line. Just making more frowny faces. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, if we're going to have 7 colors in our rainbow, we're going to need 8 frowny faces. So 8 frowny faces. And mine I didn't erase, but I could have and made it a little evener. More even. Okay? So we're going to come down here and I'm going to put flowers on mine, okay? I think I'm going to do flowers. So I'm going to kind of draw a little squiggly line down this way because our grass is not even. And then I'm going to make it my grass. And then I will make that color green and make it grass. And then I'm going to make some flowers. So I will, I'm going to draw it with my pencil, because you got your pencil. So I'm going to go ahead and put in right here. I'm going to put in 1 flower. And for a flower, I'm going to make a tulip. And that's kind of a smiley face. See how it makes kind of a U with the edges? And then I'm going to make that point. I'm going to make another one over here. I'm going to put my tulips together. You can put your flowers however you want. You can space them out. And then I'm going to make a daisy. Now, a daisy has a circle in the middle that's yellow, and then it has colors going around of whatever color you want. You can make it, and then I'll make a couple of those. Okay, you can make your flowers however you want. If you want to make your flowers down here, you can make them down here. You can just make them down here in the, kind of didn't go very well, in the grass. And if you want to make a stem, you can. If you don't, if you want to make a leaf on your flower, you can do that. We're going to make a cloud. So to make a cloud, we're going to make a straight line, and then we're going to make our squigglies. Little humps. You don't have to have a bunch of clouds. I'm going to put one right here too. Okay. If you want to put a green background back here, like a tree or something, you can make a, and color that part green. Be creative with it. If you want your pot of gold over here, you can make you gold. Make you a pot of gold. Okay? If you want to make you a shamrock on it, you can make you a shamrock. Make you a shamrock there. All right. Now then, you're going to take your pencil and you're going to get your Sharpie. The first thing you do with your Sharpie, oh, you got it. You got to give it an autograph down here at the bottom. Autograph it, and you might want to put a apostrophe 24 or 2024 because that's your autograph. That way you know when you did it. Now we're going to start, and if you want to use your colored pencils, that's a great time to use your colored pencils on this. We're going to start with our purple. After you trace, and remember, when you trace, it takes a long time. So you're going to have to turn this off so that you can trace. And you trace everything with your Sharpie. Little strokes for little folks. Take your time. Stay on your lines. Erase your pencil mark when you need to. Very carefully use your Sharpie and trace carefully. Now, you've got me turned back on, and we're going to take our purple colored pencil, and we're going to color this first one. We got to stay in the lines, and we're going to color this first one down in the middle. We're going to color it purple. Little strokes for little folks. And color it all in. Color all that purple in. I'm just going to write purple right here. Speed it up. Okay, so you're going to come all the way around here for purple. Make sure you fill it all in. Little strokes for little folks. Some of us are faster than others. That's okay. Take your time. Do a good job. We will not cut this out because this is a whole scene picture. Okay? This is a scene. You look out the window and you have a scene. So the first section is going to be purple. Now the next section, I'm going to tell you something. If I don't have a dark blue and a light blue, I can make it blue, but I can mash harder. You want to make it bold. To make it bold, you press it just a little bit harder, but don't break your crayon if you're doing with a crayon. And you want to just make the next one a dark blue. It's a dark blue. That means you might have to go over it just a couple more times. Remember, little strokes for little folks. Little strokes. Cover all that white. Keep it in the line of your black. And if you don't have a dark blue and a light blue, you can use your dark, mash it just a little bit harder, is our blue. Now the next section, you're going to go all the way around with this dark blue. Okay? Now the next section is going to be a light blue. So this one we're going to barely, if you have a light blue, you can use it. But if you don't mash very hard. You're going to use a light blue. And I'll write up here, light blue. I don't have a light blue. I just have the blue, so I have to do it just a little bit lighter. Just be very gently with my little strokes for little folks. Some of you that have your colored pencils, you have 2 different colors of blue. That's great. Our next color after blue is going to be green. So then you're going to get your green. You're going to go all the way over with green. Okay, I'm writing this up here. You're going to go all the way over making your green. Then you're going to go yellow. Yellow. And remember, little strokes for little folks, so that you color all the inside of your manila paper. Don't show that manila or white. Don't let that show, because you want little strokes so that you color it all in. This one is yellow. We have 7 colors in a rainbow. Our next color is going to be orange. Orange, same thing. You're going to color all the way across. Oops. All the way across with your orange. This one is orange. Same thing, little strokes for little folks. Coloring it all in. Then who can tell me the last color that's going to be at the top? Love it. You got it. Red. We got a red at the top. So then you're going to do your red. After you do your rainbow, you can always put your shamrock. If you did a shamrock over here, you're going to color it green. Your flowers, you want to put their leaves green. So you want to make sure your grass is green, your leaves are green. All of this part down here is green. Little strokes for little folks. I'm just kind of showing you where all it's going to be green. But you're going to color it all in. And then you can color, if you've got a tree right here, you're going to color that all in. If you put a tree back here. If you put tulips, you can make them whatever color you want. I'm going to make my tulip, I'm going to do a red one right here. And I'm going to do another, I like red tulips. And you have whatever color tulips you want. You can have any of your rainbow colors. Tulips come in all different colors. Yellow tulips are very popular. Red tulips are very popular. Purple. So you can make your tulips. And then if you make your daisies, you might want the center part to be yellow. And the other part, if you've got manila paper, you can use your white and do your clouds. And then you want to do the shade with your crayon. You can turn it sideways and shade the outside up here blue so that you get the sky. And then you can do your clouds white. Okay? You can color your daisies whatever color you want. Put this one orange. Orange tulips is fine. Whatever color you want. Make yours yours. I hope you enjoyed drawing today. If you like drawing the rainbow, tell me about it. Share your finished picture with me on Cindy's Corner. And I can't wait to see your finished product of your rainbow. Have a great day. Thumbs up, subscribe, and share me with your friends and colleagues so that they don't miss story time or drawing or challenges with Cindy's on Cindy's Corner. Most important, give somebody a hug and tell them you love them.